no matter how much experience you have motivating your coworkers. LearnU will make it easier, granting you more engaged employees by giving them a unique gamification experience that will boost e-learning, engagement, and communications in your company, so you can focus on your organization goals and keep your employees happy and satisfied. That's where the real magic happens. You can start simple by creating customized quizzes in minutes that will be available in any device that your employee uses. To access the content, your coworkers will connect with your organization code, and your content will be available at any time and wherever they are, because LearnU's interface is flexible, focused, and surprisingly easy to use. With LearnU, every action within your content is automatically tracked, giving you a transparent view into the past and present of your employees' progress. We are a fully integrated gamification tool that allows your coworkers to access different engagement features, such as your own company ranking interactive e-learning, and also by sending the right messages at the right time. Seems simple, right? LearnU will help you every step of the way. With our delighted customer support, tutorial videos, and a whole community of freelancers that are ready to help you in case you need a hand creating the quizzes and content for your organization. Because LearnU was built by actual HR people, which means it wasn't just built to enable employees' engagement. It was built for you, the HR people, pivotal to any business. LearnU, designed to keep your employees engaged.